Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful tip: how to disable pop-up notifications for uploads and downloads on Google Drive. If you're someone who uses Google Drive a lot, you've probably noticed that those constant pop-ups can sometimes be distracting. The good news is, you can turn them off in just a few quick steps, and I'll guide you through the process right now. First, grab your phone and open up your settings. This is where all the notification controls begin. Next, scroll down until you find Apps and give that a tap. This section is where you manage all the applications installed on your device. From here, look for Google Drive in the list. Once you tap on Google Drive, you'll see all of its settings and controls in one place. Now tap on Notifications. This is the menu that allows you to customize what kind of alerts you receive from Google Drive. Inside the Notifications menu, select Notification Categories. Think of this as the breakdown of different types of notifications that Drive can send you. In the list of categories, find Uploads and Downloads. This is the specific section responsible for sending you that pop-up every time a file is uploaded or downloaded. And here's the final step. Toggle off Show as Pop-up. Once you do that, your phone will still register the upload or download activity, but you won't be interrupted by a pop-up on the screen. That's it. You've successfully disabled those constant upload and download pop-ups from Google Drive. From now on, your notifications will remain clean and distraction-free, while still keeping you updated in a more subtle way. If you ever change your mind, just follow the same steps and turn the toggle back on. But most people find that once those pop-ups are gone, they don't miss them at all. This quick adjustment can really help make using Google Drive feel smoother and less distracting, especially if you're someone who's constantly working with files. Thanks for watching.